spent together. In our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once over. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame with no one to blame. All of the time we spent together. In our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once over. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame with no one to blame.
When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal law, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky, let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small.